Today, I've got a fantastic DIY beauty trick that will help you save a lot of money instead of spending it on expensive products at the store. So stay with me until the end, because this simple do-it-yourself method might just become one of your favorite home tricks. To start, you'll need a small jar, something around this size. The first ingredient we'll use is hair cream. Any kind will do. I'm using this one today. Add 3 generous tablespoons of it into the jar. Oh, and before we go on, tell me in the comments which country you're watching from so I can send you a warm, virtual hug. Next up, we'll need coffee. Yes, coffee, but make sure it's fresh coffee, not used grounds. Add 2 heaping tablespoons of coffee to the mix and stir everything together until it's smooth. If you enjoy homemade beauty ideas and creative recipes like this, leave a comment saying, "I love DIY." That way, I'll know you want me to share more simple and natural recipes with you. Once the coffee and hair cream are mixed, it's time for some granulated sugar. I'm using Demerara sugar, but regular white sugar works just as well. Add 2 tablespoons and mix again. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. That's how you can support this kind of content. Now for the last ingredient, coconut oil. If you don't have it, olive oil will work fine. Add 1 tablespoon and mix everything together until the texture becomes smooth and creamy. And now you might be wondering, what is this magical mix? This, my friends, is a powerful homemade hair mask. The sugar brings natural shine, while the coffee, hair cream, and coconut oil deeply nourish your hair, reduce frizz, and make it soft and radiant. You can use it on any hair type, just apply it twice a week, leave it on for about 10 minutes, then rinse and wash as usual. If your hair feels dry, weak, or dull, this simple DIY mask will help bring it back to life, full of strength, glow, and softness. I hope you'll give it a try and let me know your results. Sending you lots of love, blessings, and I'll see you in the next video.